Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Hi, here in this given problem, first of all, for the accelerated motion of the robot, the acceleration is 0.20 meter per second square. It accelerates for a time t1 is equal to 5.0 second, and it has started from an initial velocity 0. Then for the uniform motion, obviously acceleration will be 0. It accelerated for it moved with a uniform motion for a time 68 second with the velocity v2 that is missing, which will be the final velocity of the accelerated motion. Then for the retarded motion, a2, that is minus 0.40 meter per second square, and it retarded for a time t3 is equal to 2.5 second and then reached to the shop owner. We have to find total distance covered by the robot. So for this accelerated motion, first of all, we divide this motion into three parts. This is accelerated motion, then it will be for uniform motion, and then finally it will be for retarded motion. For accelerated motion, distance covered will be given by using second equation of motion. S1 is equal to v1 t1 plus half a1 t1 square. First term will become 0 plus half a1 means 0.20 into t1 means square of 5. So this distance traveled during the accelerated motion calculated to be equal to 2.5 meter. Then we find v2 using first equation of motion. v2 is equal to v1 plus a1 t1 means 0 plus 0.20 multiplied by 5, and it comes out to be equal to 1.0 meter per second. So now for uniform motion, distance traveled, simply it will be given by distance is equal to speed into time, speed v2 time t2, speed v2 1.0 meter per second already we have found, t2 68 seconds, so it comes out to be equal to 68 meter. Then for retarded motion, S3, that will be again it will be given by using second equation of motion. Final velocity of the first part, accelerated part, will become initial velocity of the retarded part. So S3 is equal to v2 t3 plus half a2 t3 square, means this is v2 means 1.0 multiplied by t3 means 2.5 plus half a, which is minus 0.40, and square of time, which is 2.5 again, and having a square of it. So this S3 calculated to be equal to 1.25 meter distance traveled during retarded motion. So total distance traveled by the robot S is equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3, means this is 2.5 plus 68 plus 1.25 meter, means it comes out to be equal to 71.75 meter, which is the answer for this given problem here. Thank you.